Good afternoon. My name is Narendra Shah. I'm from Sitara, that stands for Center for Technology Alternatives for Rural Areas at IIT Bombay. So I have been teaching here subjects like soils, agriculture, food, and health and nutrition is something which I have added to my topics since last 5 years. And this is our food engineering lab of Sitara. Um, Almost it's quite well known that while India is a economy in transition, um, there is this problem of undernutrition and malnutrition, which is quite prevalent in the country. In fact, about 2 years back, in a science congress, our prime minister said that malnutrition is a shame to India, and the society of scientists, engineers, and the entrepreneurs need to do something about it, and address the issues of malnutrition in the country. So with this idea in mind, about 3.5 years back, we started a project at IIT Bombay in collaboration with one of the municipal hospitals in Mumbai called Shah Hospital. So in addition to IIT Bombay, Shah Hospital, and then we had one more NGO from Minneapolis, USA, called Toddler Food Partners. And we say that this is typically a product-based intervention. So in order to address malnutrition, while on one hand you need product-based strategy to sort of take care of children below 6 years who are severe and acute malnourished. So we actually designed a formulation which actually meets the norms which are followed world over, and we made this energy dense and protein rich formulation, which was fed to the children in patients admitted in the Shah Hospital in the pediatrics department. And this is typically what is called as a peanut butter based formulation. And uh, the results that we have achieved through these clinical trials are quite encouraging, and we feel that the it's not only issue of severe and acute malnourished, or moderately acute malnourished, but we have a much wider issue. What they say is, in human beings formation, about 1,000 days of life is pretty much important, right from the conception of the child till the child becomes 2 years of age. And therefore perhaps we need to address this issue, addressing the population of the pregnant women as well. It's not only kids but also the pregnant women, and therefore we want to sort of devise formulations which are not only nutritionally perfect, but also they are affordable, because many a times that this product the costs are not, and in fact one of the reasons why malnutrition continues to prevail in our country is affordability of food, and nutritious food. So therefore the challenge of this project, which is undertaken as a part of TCTD, is to make foods from forgotten cereals like ragi, bajra, and jowar, and use the techniques known in food process engineering like extrusion cooking, and create foods like energy bars, and try and see if they can be ready to eat, RTE, or it's also called RTC, ready to cook, and make it sort of having a good shelf life. So like in our laboratory we have the equipment which studies, which undertakes like the water activity meter, and then the food texture meter, and the food color meter. So the objective of this project is to arrive at food formulations which is not only sort of energy rich in vitamins and minerals, but also which is economically affordable to the target population. Hope we will be able to deliver our objectives in a short period of time. Thank you.